Good morning. Hey, it's Tuesday and I'm out on the Willoway dock today. Let's take a walk through the dock and look at some beautiful plants. First up, look at these gorgeous limelights. Man, they are bud and bloom, looking fantastic. A lot of nice paniculatas on the dock. Here we're looking at vanilla strawberry. And these will come out with a white bloom and go into that intense red color. Vanilla strawberry. We're going to see a lot of gorgeous buddleia on the docks, and right here we're looking at a proven winner. This is Miss Molly, and it gives you that nice magenta flower. Let's just zoom in here and show you all the buds and bloom. Look at that gorgeous plant. Miss Molly. Here we're looking at some 15-gallon blood-good Japanese maples, and you know, our Japanese maple crop has just come on and looking good. And here we have another landscape grade plant. This is our 7-gallon bloomerang dark purple. Look at that gorgeous plant. So here we're looking at hibiscus. Again, a lot of nice hibiscus on the dock. Some 7-gallon blood goods. There's a beautiful weeping cherries. We got a great selection of trees available in our pot and pot. Check our availability. Well, these are tied up, but I think you can still see the value of these 7-gallon burning bush. Big, beautiful plants. More buddleia just came up. Again, we have more Miss Molly, and you can see the gorgeous bud and bloom. And this is the pugsters. So this is pugster white, and they're just starting to open up on those buds. You can see they're loaded with flower buds still. Pugsters. So you guys are checking in an order here. We're looking at lavender. This one is phenomenal. Gorgeous crops of lavender coming on. You can see they're starting to throw up the flower buds. Looking good. Check our full selection of lavender. This one is phenomenal. Here you see the nice bright sunny yellow. This is Aurelia Sun King. Fresh new crop here. This is our Rhamnus Fine Line in 3 gallons. Very nice plant. So we have a few of the perennial hibiscus showing some color here. This one happens to be Starry Night, and that's another option for great summer color. Great looking grasses coming up to the dock. Here we have a lot from the native plant selection with American Beauties. And this one is a Eupatorium. This is a dwarf called Little Joe. Look at the bud and bloom on those. Here we have some nice 3-gallon dissectums. We have gorgeous bud and bloom on the Hydrangea Bobo. And this is a 19-centimeter grass. This one is a Adagio. Here we're looking at some dwarf hibiscus, and this is the Little Kim series. So this one will stay nice and short. It still gets around 3 to 4 feet tall by 3 to 4 feet wide, but in the world of hibiscus, that's compact. And here we're looking at Little Kim. Gorgeous series of hibiscus. Here we have hibiscus purple pillar, and this is a newer one from Proven Winners. It's a narrow upright form with lavender flowers. Nicely budded there, looking good. Here we have some Hypericum. This one is Glory. We've seen those prior on the dock, and you know, they're in flower and starting to fruit. Gorgeous yellow color on the mop cypress and the golden victory. You can really see the color on those 3-gallon Bobos now. Man, they're just loaded with flower buds. Perennial color here with Geranium Roseanne, and they're loaded bud and bloom plants. Very nice. Here we have a fragrant. This is Viburnum Carlisi in a 3-gallon. I'm just going to pan here so you can see how nice and full that plant is. They're doing a great job. The growers are fantastic as far as trimming, getting a full, compact, and just branch very nicely. Good values on their fragrance. This one is Carlisi. Here we're looking at a little bigger one as far as hibiscus. This one is Ardens, and you can see this is a 7-gallon. It's got a little stockier, heavier branching to it. Nice landscape size hibiscus. Here's another where I was able to pull one of those 7-gallon burning bush out before they got ready to load them up. You can see the size of these things. Man, they're 30-inch plus, gorgeous. Here's another look at those gorgeous 3-gallon Victory Privet. Here's another peek at those native grasses, and nice steel blue color to these. This one is called Standing Ovation. Here's another peek at a nice order of those Little Kim hibiscus. And, you know, there's several colors. We're looking at red and just a straight Miss Kim, or Little Kim, I should say. But you can see the nice consistent grade, loaded with flower buds, guys. Beautiful full plants. 2-gallon Little Kim hibiscus. Here I got a pallet of 3-gallon Nest Spruce. Exceptional value on these. Really nice perennials to look at. Here we're looking at Sedum Lime Zinger. You can see the gorgeous full plants there. Look at the bud and bloom. This is Sedum Pure Joy. They're just loaded with flower buds. Then we have more of the Dazzleberry series on Sedum, and then the beautiful color of Asclepia tuberosa. Just want to give you a peek at our boxwood. Here we're looking at 3-gallon winter gems. You can see a nice consistent pull there, and these beautiful 3-gallon green velvets. Here we're looking at some 3-gallon blue princess. I mean, that's an exceptional value for a 3-gallon plant. Here we're looking at some roses coming up. Let's see here. Oh, these are knockout roses. Wow, check that out. Just loads of these beautiful double knockout roses. Here's another great looking 2-gallon plant. Here we're looking at Deutzia. This is Yuki Snowflake, and we also have Cherry Blossom, which is the pink. Man, look at that 2-gallon plant. Here we're looking at a nice fresh crop of 3-gallon Endless Summers. And man, these are coming out of a trim. You can see here nice full 3-gallon plants. And the buds are just starting to come in. So this is going to give you a lot of nice summer color here. 3-gallon Endless Summer. So I pulled one of these Spirea Gold Mound off to show you. Nice big heavy 3 gallons. I'll just kind of hover over there. You can see they're loaded with flower buds. Nice color. Spirea Gold Mound, 3 gallons. Here we're looking at grasses, you know, and we got a nice assortment of 19 centimeter and 3-gallon grasses. This one happens to be Shenandoah, and awesome looking plants here. Look at those Cotinus Royal Purple. You can see what a phenomenal job the growers did. Very popular plant on the dock. This is Mr. Bowling Ball, 3 gallons. Here we see the plumes on the 1-gallon Hamlin grass. And then here we have Coreopsis Creme Brulee. And look at the bud and bloom on these. This is Veronica Moody Blues Dark Blue. Here we're looking at several pallets of our 3-gallon green velvets. Here the guys are just bringing another round of roses. Here we're looking at the red drifts, Miracle on the Hudson, and double pinks. Here we're looking at a nice fresh crop. This is Coreopsis, the greb. Check out the bud and bloom on the Salvia May Night. Awesome 19 centimeter plants. So that's a quick walk through the dock. You know, we've seen some really nice plants for summer color, landscape grade plants for that job to finish it up. We have specimen stock B&B, potted trees, and beautiful perennials. Be sure to check with the sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading this truck for you.